Welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Justin, and today we have a Range Rover Sport Autobiography. This is a D300, so the 3-litre diesel engine. It's finished in Santorini Black, and being the Autobiography, it's a really high specification. Coming around the front, we can see it's got the pixel LED headlights. We've got 360-degree parking sensors with blind spot assist and a 3D camera. This particular car has 22-inch diamond-turned wheels with grey inserts, and we also have gloss calipers. The car has keyless entry, privacy glass, and we have a panoramic roof, which is also tilt and slide, so you can open that sunroof. We have an electric tailgate, a nice large boot in Range Rover Sport with the ability to raise or lower the suspension from the back here, and we can also fold the rear seats. You've got some extra storage system here which can stop things sliding about in the boot area, and if we raise the bottom there, we can see it's got the spare wheel, which is a nice feature and something you don't see often. Coming into the back, being the Autobiography, it has got the nicer, finer grained leather. We've also got Meridian 3D surround system. We've got a centre console with cup holders and armrest, reclinable seats, and we have rear heated and cooled seats and climate control for the rear occupants. Coming into the front, we can see we've got electric front seats with memory for both driver and passenger. We've got illuminated kick plates. If we look at the headline, and it's a suede cloth, which is a nice feature. And then coming into the front, we can see we've got a digital display, and one of the great features on this car is this has got a head-up display, and we also have the clear sight interior mirror as well. Again, being Autobiography, we do have a whole range of nice features. You've got adaptive cruise, heated steering wheel, we've got wireless device charging, and we've even got a chilled center console here with two different chilled settings. The most recent infotainment system that we have, which is Privy Pro, which is all touchscreen, and we've got some nice features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and as I mentioned, that 3D surround camera. So all our cars come with a 165 multi-point check, a minimum 12 months Land Rover warranty, and a minimum 12 months roadside assistance. If you'd like any more information on this car, please contact us through this website.